recording the sewer line here at 1641 10th Avenue East. This is the J. LeBray property management deal. We installed a clean out and then jetted out the line to clear it of roots. So here is the line heading downstream. We're able to cut out all the root system within the line and get it nice and clean. You saw at the beginning of the video a plastic repair at the beginning, and we're now heading out towards the city main. There is the city main sewer connection. So the line has been cut out of all the major roots. Very well hydro-jetted. You can see these seams are clean. Where there once was root systems coming through the line, we're now in much better shape. So little tiny straggler ones like that, very hard to get with the jetter. But as you can see, the diameter has been restored to the full diameter that we had prior to the start of prior to us coming out here and doing this work. So very happy with the amount of the roots we've been able to get out of there. Line is clean. It will need to be maintained regularly, but at this stage in the game, we are looking good. So there's our repair we installed. There's the end of it. Now we're coming back up through the clean out. There is the clean out access. Here's the building. We had to take out a little bit of concrete, but we patched that back up. And I'm going to end the video right there.